Good morning, students. Our next problem, integration 1 by sin x plus root 3 cos x dx. This is our problem. Solution here given integration 1 by sin x plus root 3 cos x dx. Here sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, and cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Here suppose here sin 2x, what happened here? 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Once again remember here cos x, suppose here cos 2x, what happened here? 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, yes, substitute here, that is equal integration, here sin x is equal this one 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus here root 3 into 1 minus tan square x by 2 1 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Here put tan x by 2 is equal to t here, this one. What happened here? What is the differentiation? Sec square x by 2, already here x by 2, so this one 1 by 2 dx, that is equal to dt. Here dx is equal to 2 dt by sec square x by 2, dx is equal to 2 dt by, here sec square is equal to what happened here? 1 plus tan square x by 2. So substitute here 1 plus tan square x by 2. Already here tan x by 2 is equal to t, this one dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square, this one. Yes, here integration 1 by 2 dt by 1 plus t square plus root 3 into here 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, here dx is equal to what now here? This one 2 dt by 1 plus t square, that is equal integration 1 by, actually what is the LCM here? This one 1 plus t square, so this one 1 plus t square, 2t plus here root 3 into 1 root 3 minus root 3 t square, this one here multiply here divide, so this one get cancelled, 1 plus t square 1 plus t square get cancelled. Remaining here I am taking this one here, that is equal 2 into integration, so 1 by this one minus root 3 t square plus 2t plus root 3. So here just here, since just I am taking here this one minus root 3 t square plus 2t plus root 3. Here what is a t square coefficient here? Minus root 3, I am taking this one common here, so here also minus 2 by root 3, here root 3 it cancels, so here minus 1. So here this one, actually this one convert into a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equal, actually here what happened here? This is a minus b whole square. So already here what happened here? So this one t square minus 2 into here t into root 3, I am taking this one 1 by root 3 minus 1 already here. So here compare with a square, what happened here? A is equal to here, a is equal to t. This one compared to 2ab, what happened here? 2 here, already here a is equal to t, 2 is equal to 2, here b is equal to here 1 by root 3, this one. So here a square minus, suppose here a square minus 2ab, that means here t square minus 2 into t into 1 by root 3. What happened here? I want b square term, so here plus b square again minus b square, and adding and subtraction here. So here what happened here? 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1 by root 3 whole square, already here minus 1. So here minus root 3. Here this one complete here a square minus 2ab plus b square. That means here a minus b whole square. So this one t minus 1 by root 3 whole square already here. Here square root get cancelled. Minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Already here minus 4 by 3 this one. So here multiply here minus. What happened here? This one minus this one plus. Understand? Here root 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus t minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Substitute this one here. 2 into integration 1 by root 3. Just substitute here. This here substitute here this one. This one 2 by root 3. Here 1 by 2 by root 3 whole square minus t minus 1 by root 3 whole square. Suppose this one comparing with a square minus x square here. This one compare here integration 1 by a square minus x square. Here a is equal to 2 by root 3 and x is equal to here x is equal to t minus 1 by root 3 this one. Okay, actually what is the formula here? Integration 1 by a square minus x square dx, that is equal to 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. So here already this one 2 by root 3. Here what? Okay, same right here this one 1 by 2a, 2 into what is the a value here? 2 by root 3. 2 into 2 by root 3 log of a plus x. That means here 2 by root 3 plus t minus 1 by root 3 by 2 by root 3 minus t minus 1 by root 3 plus c. So here already here 2 to get cancelled. Here root 3 get cancelled. Here what happened here? 1 by 2 log of this one. What happened? What is the LCM here? Actually here root 3. So here 2 plus root 3t minus 1 by root 3 whole by 2 minus root 3t plus 1 by root 3. Here root 3 get cancelled plus c. What happened here? 1 by log of 1 plus root 3t by 3 minus root 3t plus c. 1 by log of, what is the common here? Root 3 common here. So here 1 by root 3 plus t by here root 3 minus t. Root 3 get cancelled plus c. 1 by 2 log of 1 by root 3 plus t by root 3 minus t plus c. Here t is equal to tan x by 2. Substitute here t is equal to tan x by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 log of 1 by root 3 plus tan x by 2 by root 3 minus tan x by 2 plus c. Our next problem number 3, integration 1 by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 6 dx. Okay, solution given integration 1 by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 6 dx. This is actually here cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Substitute here cos is equal to this one and sin is equal to this one. So here 3 into 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 4 into 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 6 dx. Here put tan x by 2 is equal to t here. This is differentiation. Tan differentiation here sec square x by 2 and x by 2 is equal to what here 1 by differentiation 1 by 2 dx, that is equal to dt. Dx is equal to 2 dt sec square x by 2. Dx is equal to 2 dt by here sec square is equal to 1 plus tan square x by 2. Dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Why? Because here tan x by 2 is equal to t. So this one here dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Just substitute here dx is equal to this one and tan x is equal to t. Here integration 1 by 3 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 4 into 2t by 1 plus t square plus 6 2 dt by 1 plus t square. What is the LCM here? 1 plus t square. This one 3 into 1 3, this minus 3t square plus 8t, 6 into 1 plus t square. Here multiply 1 plus t square, here divide, get cancel here this one, remaining here 3 minus 3t square plus 8t plus 6 plus 6t square 2 dt. I am taking here this one 2 here, integration 1 by here minus 3t square plus 6t square. What happened here? 3t square 8t, 6 plus 3 here 9 dt. This is equation number 1. I am taking this one 3t square plus 8t plus 9. What is the t square coefficient here? This one t square plus 8t by 3 here 3 3 is a 9, so this one here 3. What is the t square coefficient? Here 3 into t square plus 80 by 3 plus 3. Okay, here this one convert into a square plus 2ab, this one. So first one t square plus 2 into this one a square plus 2ab. Here t square is equal to a square, so here a is equal to t. So here I want b, so this one convert into 2ab. So this one 2 into 4 into t by 3. So here this one already here this one 2 into t into this one 4 by 3. So here b is equal to 4 by 3. b is equal to 4 by 3. So here 3 of t square plus 2 into 4 by 3 into t plus here b square time adding and subtraction here. This one are remaining here plus 3. So here 3 of here a square plus 2ab plus b square. Complete here what happened here? This one a plus b whole square. So here a is equal to t and b is equal to 4 by 3. Remaining here 16 9 plus 3. So this one t plus 4 by 3 whole square minus 16 plus 27 by 3, LCM here 9. So here t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus remaining here 11 by 9 whole square. This one 3 of t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus this one here root 11 by 3 whole square. Here square root get cancelled here 11, 3 square means here 9. So this one actually what happened here? This one 3t square plus 89 is equal to this one. So substitute this value in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? Actually here this one. 2 integration 1 by 3 of t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus root 11 by 3 whole square and dt. This one it is in the form of what on here? Integration 1 by x square plus a square dx, that is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Here a is equal to root 11 by 3. Here x is equal to t plus 4 by 3. So here already here what happened here? 2 by 3 here. So 1 by a, this one 1 by root 11 by 3 tan inverse of x by a, that means here t plus 4 by 3 by root 11 by 3 plus c. Here what happened here? 3 get cancelled, 2 by root 11 tan inverse of 3t plus 4 by root 11 plus c. Here t is equal to tan x by 2. last step here, 2 by root 11 tan inverse of 3 tan x by 2 plus 4 by root 11 plus c.